lot like what we're going to do right now. Hold on, get these all out. Get all of it out. Let's put it upside down. Yes, lemon spirit fingers. I am so excited about this. Oops, forgot that. Yeah, it looks like it's turning kind of dark green, see? Those suds need to calm down. Yes, Vic. Texas squeezes jelly. But we're going to put some fine lemon and we're going to put some powder in it. Yellow and blue and green. Let me switch you guys up. You guys can see what all is going in, right? Just so that you know. Oh, sorry. She was crooked. Hi Booms! This is lemon Lysol and dish soap. See, the Dawn comes out easy and fast. But the thickness, the beautiful, beautiful thickness, takes a little time to come out. I know it was actually a good thing, Lauren. But either way, this with powder, yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Teflon! Teflon Dawn, thank you! No water in it. This is all product. Oh my gosh, these things are a pain. Happy Friday, Danny. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Ooh. Stay closer. It's getting thicker, deeper. I have 5 more to go. Oops. I got all the soap out. We don't use water here, just to rinse. Yeah, it came. It is from Family Dollar. Jeez, I am splatting everywhere. My cleanup today is going to be ridiculous. Yes, we are adding powder. Hi, Shell. We have 4 more bottles to put in, and then we're going to pour in the rest of each bottle. But it was a lot of Lysol, so I'm not even sure if it will do what I needed to do. It's so much Lysol. But I didn't even know the bottle of Lysol was going to be so big. Yeah, I'm definitely going to squeeze first. We got a Foca going in, we got some Comet going in. Well, actually, I don't know if I'll do... Yeah, no, actually, I have an idea. I don't know how we can do it. These are the last 2. I just want to get all of each one out. Thank you, Sudscity. That's not ASMR. Sorry, guys. Me too, no matter what. If it turns out runny, I'm still really excited for the squeezes. I think I need to get a grout. I want a grout in this. And then this is what we're going to do last. Not in here, but separate. I think I'm going to do the grout. It might be runny. Ooh, look at that! Look at that, you guys! Look at that, guys! Hi, Simone! Ooh! Here we go! Okay, now I'm excited. Okay, let me go get my sponge. I'm excited. Oh, these two last ones. Ooh! Sierra, you know me. Ooh! Yes, yes. I like that. Let me get her out. It smells so good. It smells like Lysol. This is perfect. This is exactly what... Is Laura in here? Laura? Yeah, we're gonna add powder to it. I might save some and then add powder. But yeah, there's definitely powder going in. There she is. What do you think, Laura? Let's do it. Epoxy. No, this is Lysol. The lemon Lysol and dish soap. Oh, I'm glad you like it. No worries, Laura. I just wanted to see if you liked it. I know you're super busy. Texas squeezes Lysol glue. Well, I think Lysol. She has glue and she has jelly. This is the jelly, I believe. I just pulled the epoxy out. No water, not yet. I think this one's falling apart. Get all the dish soap all mixed in. Not cooperating. Bubbles. doesn't want to charge. It's so annoying. But let me put my hand over there. Okay guys, we're gonna save some and then we're gonna start putting the powder in. Because I'm going to be so bummed when I cannot see you guys. I'm not gonna be able to talk to you guys.